Hi guys! This is our first video and we will be cooking chicken adobo. You can see the complete list of ingredients and procedures at the end of the video, so please keep watching. Okay, so let's start cooking. Pour the water and chicken in the pot. Cook it in medium heat. When it's already boiling, we will remove the oil, dirt, and white substance appearing at the top of the water. When it's already clear, we will put 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's put the onion, garlic, and ginger. And then vinegar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, sugar, pepper, and laurel leaves. We'll cover and simmer for 30 minutes for the chicken to be cooked. After 30 minutes, we will put the green finger pepper and cook it for another 3 minutes. Okay, we're done! Chicken adobo. Happy eating! Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos!